Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Wi-Fi settings on Android phone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Android phone. Once opened, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to General Management. Under General Management, scroll down, locate and click on Reset. Or on your Android phone, just search for Reset. So once you search for Reset, then you should see where the reset is located. So click on it. Now click on the reset again. Then you should see various options under reset. To reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, just go ahead and click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then click on reset settings. And then you should see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. And then you should see your Wi-Fi turned off and then turned on again, as well as your Bluetooth turned off and then turned on again. And that is it. So that's exactly how to reset Wi-Fi settings on Android phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.